Hello everyone, I'm Neetu Chaudhary. Today someone asked me that what is the biggest motivation for me? The awareness of law of impermanence has been biggest motivation for me all throughout my life. It has made me understand that everything is changing constantly. In fact, change is the only constant thing in the world. If we try to understand it spiritually, it is said that the world is, in Hindi we call it as a bhav. Bhav means it's becoming. So there is no time that when we are a complete, this universe is a complete product and it's a final thing and nothing to be added or evolved or updated into it. The same thing, if we see, we call ourselves human being. So BING, it's in continuous tense, means there is no time when we are the perfect and it's finished, it's a final product. We are always constantly evolving and becoming better version of ourselves. If we see this scientifically also, it is proven that if we observe the tiniest particle of any matter, it is having vibration which is constantly changing. So whether we take it spiritually or we take it scientifically, everything is constantly changing. Now in my own life, I have observed it, that I have seen people around me, and for me myself, I have seen the healthy people are becoming sick, sick are becoming healthy, less affluent are becoming more affluent people are becoming less affluent. The stronger is becoming weaker, weaker is becoming stronger. So anything we take, it's constantly changing. And how this has helped me in my self development. In good times, it has helped me to keep my feet on ground. And in the bad times, it has helped me to have the hope that sky is the limit and I can do anything and everything. It has also helped me to forgive people, forgive events and move on. It has helped me to let go of things, all the grudges and the bad feelings, bad events, bad emotions. And the most important, it has helped me to manage my stress and keep my ego in check all the time. I'm sharing this with the hope that it will help you to deal with your situation. If you are in good time, it will help you to keep your ego in check. If you are going through some bad phase in life, remember, nothing is permanent. This is going to definitely change. So have hope that things will improve and you can work on it and you can improve it. Thank you so much.